Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bree, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this nice blown out salon hair look at home using the Revlon one-step dryer. I absolutely love this. It's not too much money. I got it a few months back, almost a year ago now, but I would say 60 something dollars about. I don't know. I'll link it down below and I'll have like the price down below or on the screen like around here somewhere. But I love this thing so much. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do a salon blowout at home alone using this. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say if you guys are new here, check out my channel. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And it's a win-win for both of us. I'm teaching you guys my tricks and you're supporting me. So it keeps me motivated to do this more often. So now with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so to get that like blown out hair salon look, I always use this tool right after I get out of the shower and wash my hair. That's when I believe it looks and works the best, when my hair is wet, and then I just blow dry it. So first what I do is just brush out all my knots, which I already did because that's like boring. You guys don't want to see that. So I just brushed out all my knots, and then I take like any hair thermal, like a heat protector spray, and that's just obviously going to protect your hair from the heat that you're about to use on it. So this one is Joico. It's like a blonde one. My hair's not that blonde, but it still works. So then next I just section it off. I do my hair in 3 different sections, whether I flat iron, use this, or curl it with a wand. I always start off right above my ear. So I'll just go right above, meet in the back, and then I just tie it up. Okay, then I just take a section that's like about 2 inches wide because this barrow is pretty big. So yeah. And what I do is I'm not going to put it on while I'm speaking, obviously, because then you won't be able to hear over this. You guys won't hear this at all, actually. Like, I'm just going to play something else in the background. But what I do is take it, put it under, and use this little tip right here to twirl it. So I'm able to have like movement and I won't burn my hands. So I'll also take it above and go down that way. And I always just flip the hair. And then I'll keep doing that until it's dry. So I'll show you guys. So I forgot to mention that the reason why I don't only go under the piece of hair, but I go on top as well, is because as you just saw, when I go under, it's going to blow the hairs upward. So I go on top of it so that I can blow the hairs back downward and make my hair less frizzy. Okay, also I forgot to mention that this tool has different levels as like a lot of your other hot tools. So this has obviously off, then it has cool, low, and high. I always just put it on the highest, but be careful, like if you touch this and your fingers are accidentally like not on the sides of it, or if they like stay over here too long, this will burn you. This gets very hot. So another thing is, when I went like this and held it to the side and just kept like curling it up and just twirling it like that, and I'm dropping it like that, that was because I just like this little scoop at the end. It for me gives me a little bit more volume, and that's when you get like the salon blowout look, not just like a flat iron look. So I'm just going to finish off this section, and if I have anything else to say, I'll just do some voiceovers and you guys will be set. Okay, so once that section's all dry, I just take it and swoop it all to the back. And let me show you this way. And then I just take this and go under it like this, just to make sure that it's fully dry. If you go under it, like the root area, it'll make it more voluptuous. So that's what I do. Okay, that section's finally all done. As you just saw, I just run through it one last time in the front after I'm done with the roots in the back, and then I just move on. So yeah, then I leave these two pieces in the front, like the dry ones, and as I'm taking my hair down, like the wet hair, I'll section it off again. So this time I go right above my temple area. Do the same thing, just tie it up. These little baby hairs, I've realized, are kind of hard to do at first because the barrel is so wide, so you don't want to burn your skin. But what I've found works the best is if you keep going from the side and just brushing it downward for like the first few seconds and like the first few times that you're using it, obviously while it's on, and it's like helped tame my little baby hairs that frame my face. So sweating. This thing's really hot. Okay, so for the top layer, this time I put all my hair in the back, and then what I do is section it off this way, and I'll do this first, and this I'll just like twirl and then clip to the side for now. I literally look insane, but it works, trust me. Okay, so now that I have that piece, I'm just gonna blow dry it, and I go under and just drag it up. My hair is so long that it's kind of difficult to do it, but like I also have long arms, so it's not that bad. Okay, finally this last piece right here. So this piece is kind of hard to show, but I go this way and then I'll go under, over, like I'll just keep taking turns, you'll see. Okay, now watch when I flip it over. Like what? Look at how much more volume my hair has compared to like a flat iron. I'm not gonna leave it like this either though. We're gonna fix it up a bit more. So now I'm just gonna part everything and move it to the front, and then I'm just gonna go over it one last time, but I'm just gonna bring everything to the side. I don't know why, I feel like that's the way you get like the most volume, the most like blown out look, so like the rounded edges. So yeah, I just do it all from the side now. And then lastly, I take that front section again that I was working with, like just a few of the hairs, and just go over one last time this way, so like scoop it under and then push it back, and then I'll just leave it like that. Okay. Like what? No flat iron is doing this to your hair. That I can tell you. I'm literally in love with the Revlon One Step Dryer. This is my favorite thing to use if it's like special occasion, if I want to look like I have a blowout but I don't want to go spend the money on the blowout. Like, this is what I do. And again, if you flat iron your hair, this is not going to be the outcome of it. This looks so bouncy, so healthy. It also leaves a shine, in my opinion. Like, instead of a flat iron burning your hair all the way down, I feel like that doesn't leave a shine. This, since it's just like literally air drying your hair, it leaves like a nice shine to it. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, as always, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!